Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Settings app if it's not opening on your Samsung phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing is navigating to that Settings app. So you can swipe up to the app drawer here, and you might need to navigate around. And once you find it, you're going to press and hold on the app. So instead of just tapping it to open it, press and hold on the app. And you can see at the very top right is that little eye. Tap on the little eye and it will bring up your settings. You can see if I pop this up, it's in my settings. Keep in mind, this might not work for you. It might completely close out and crash. If that is the case, I'll walk you through other steps as well. But if this does work for you, all you need to do is scroll down, tap on storage. We're going to clear the cache and clear the data on your settings, and it should refresh it to be able to open it up normally. However, if that doesn't work for you, let's open up that Settings app in your files. So let's scroll or swipe up here, and we're going to search for Files instead and open up My Files. Now within here, you'll be able to see a bunch of different files that you have. You can scroll down here and under Internal Storage, let's tap on that and then find Apps. Oh, no, it's not in there. Let's go back out here. And instead of that, let's go to, where are the apps? Let's see it, Manage Storage. There we go. And hit See More. And there are the apps. So tap on Apps here, and you'll be able to see that Settings app, but we're in the Files app to be able to find it. So this helps us out because we don't need to open up Settings to be able to do this. So scroll down until you get to Settings and tap on that. And now within here, I can scroll down and tap on Storage, and I'll clear the cache and clear the data. After I've done that, let's go back to Apps. And the next thing we'll do is tap on One UI Home. Now keep in mind, One UI Home could be the culprit that's messing up that Settings app. So what we're going to do is scroll down and tap on Storage. We'll hit Clear Cache and clear the data on the One UI Home, and then hop out of here. You'll be able to see it resets everything on your Samsung phone back to factory default, the home screen. So from here, you should be able to swipe up and open up settings. If it's still not working for you, or it still crashes or whatever, we're gonna first just restart your phone. So press and hold that volume or the power button and hit restart. Or you can just choose to power it off and tap it again. Now, after you've restarted it, if it still doesn't work, we're going to wipe the cache partition. To be able to do that while your phone is off, we're going to press the volume up and that side button at the same time. So press these at the exact same time, and you'll be able to see it will start to boot up just like this. And after it does boot up, all we need to do is in Android recovery mode, is scroll down until we get to where it says wipe cache partition. You're going to use the volume down button to scroll down and then select wipe cache partition just by tapping on the power button. And then we will swipe down or tap the down button and go to yes and hit yes. Keep in mind, this is completely safe to do. It doesn't delete anything on your phone. It just deletes out all of the cache and fixes it if there are bugs or glitches in there. After you've done that, you can see at the very bottom, wiping cache, cache wipe complete. Now you can see at the very top, it says reboot system now. I'll just tap on the power button to reboot my Samsung phone, and that settings app should be working normally at that point. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.